Hey guys, and welcome back to Gravey's Brewery with me, Gareth Goes Gravey. Now then guys, for this video, as you can see from the title, and as you can see from the pot, covered in towels, I'm finally getting round to brewing again. And once again, as you can see from the title, a little bit late in the year to be doing one of these, but I'm going just a simple Citra SMaSH American Pale Ale. Again, I've just put this mash on. I'll show you the ingredients in a minute. This, again, just a simple smash. This is a mash with 100% pale malt. There you go, 1.194 kilos of pale ale malt. And going by the name, I think I've probably got about 5 grams, give or take, maybe a little bit more, maybe about 12 grams of Citra hops. And for my yeast, I wasn't able to get the yeast that this recipe called for, so I'm just going simple with US-05. On the subject of the source of the recipe, this is one that I got off Brewfather and here on YouTube. This is a recipe based on the Citra SMaSH American Pale Ale brewed by David Heath. Link to his video will be down there in the description, where he also provides the recipe for this particular brew. I think, again, I'm doing a couple of things different to him. You can go and check the link out for yourself if you so wish. And down in the description, again, will be links to my version of this beer, my recipe, along with the original from David himself. So yeah, I'm sorry that this has been a little bit of a short one. Just something that I kind of thought I would do just to fill up a bit of content. So as always guys, let's get some discussion going. If anybody out there has brewed this particular beer before, let me know what you thought of it. You know, if you want to give me some hints, tips and tricks to brewing this beer as well as good as David does, or as good as yourselves do, let me know down there in the discussion, in the comments, excuse me. And if you have any general comments, questions, queries about this particular brew, what I'm doing with this, once again, drop your comments in the comment section and we will talk. Alright guys, well that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time, from Gravey's Brewery, this has been Gareth Goes Gravey, and I'll see you later. Cheers.